What's up guys, my name is Andy. In this video, I'm going to install the rear view mirror that's supposed to be up here on the top of my 66 Mustang. It looks like the previous owner had replaced the liner, but never put the mirror in. And the nice thing about this is the holes are there, we just need to get through this vinyl to put them in place. So what I'm going to be installing is this Scott Drake OEM style replacement mirror set. Here's that part number for the mirror in case anybody needs that. It comes with the mount for the mirror and then of course the mirror itself. It doesn't come with the hardware, which is unfortunate, but that's okay because, you know, I just got a bin of fasteners, so we'll just grab a couple out of here and we should be all right. And 3 of these guys ought to do it. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and just slice this open and get into the packaging here. Get this piece out, and I wanna see how it fits up inside the roof here, inside the top of the car. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So it's going to sit up here roughly around so. Look, you can you'll be able to clip these in there, and if you feel up inside here, you should feel there's a hole right there, and then there should be 2 more holes here for the fasteners. It should be roughly about where this is at. So if that one goes there, then the other 2 should be right in that area. So what I'm going to do is if we poke through here, now you have to be careful because this is kind of a one-time deal. If you get it wrong, then you've got holes in your headliner. But you can feel, if I can push the outline here, there's a place where there's a hole right through here. And that's where the threads are going to be. Oh. Well, you don't want to do that. Gosh darn it. That's okay, this will cover it up, but you got to be really careful. This stuff will tear easily. That goes there. Roughly, yeah, there's the next hole. There it is right there. Okay, now we've got the 3 holes. There, there, there. Okay. Put this one up in here first. And just kind of hold it there loosely for now. Get the next fastener. And then the last one. Then we can go ahead and just finish tightening them down. There. There, that's in place. Now we can cut open the mirror, get this out of there. And it comes with this protective layer on the back here just to keep the metal from getting scratched up. So you can go ahead and peel that off right now. You notice how this has got a flat edge back here? Oh, man. I didn't realize that was dinged. Oh well, it's on the back, so it doesn't matter. You notice how it's got a flat edge here? That's going to fit inside the mount, and we'll use a set screw to hold it in place. Up inside the mount here, there is a set screw that we want to just lightly unscrew. I'm using a 5/64 Allen wrench. So we can just go ahead and slide this in here. Just tighten it in place. And then your mirror's set, ready to go. And then we can go ahead and put these inside, push them up inside here, there, that holds it in place, there. That's it, that mirror is ready to go, we're done. Guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out, and we'll see you in the next one.